This is the Easy Weightless Loose Powder. This is actually my first ever purchase from Easy. This is a translucent finish for people with normal to dry skin. It has a puff and usually hindi ko ginagamit yung puff kasi maganda siya. And then meron na rin siyang cover here. Meron siyang shifter para hindi ko makalat yung powder. Before setting the under eyes, it's always important to do this to dab. Just make sure na wala ng buo-buo dito sa ating under eyes and even sa forehead. Right after that, huwag kayong gagalaw and get the powder. Hindi ko alam kung tama ba yung pagkuha ko. Hindi ko alam kung may tag to. Pag may tag to, naku, Diyos ko dahil. It has 9 grams of product. Medyo maunti siya for a 469 powder. But I think medyo different yung price niya sa mall compared to online stores of Easy. Honest opinion, in fairness, naset niya naman yung face ko. Since merong mga variation, just get the variant na okay with your skin type para at least sure ka that it would really work on your skin. I think they have 4 variant of this. Ano variant? Parang COVID lang. Charot! According sa kanyang box, in fairness, wala siyang talc. They use cornstarch. Meron siyang silica content and dimethicone, which helps to blurs out pores. Would I repurchase this? Probably yes, but the different variant, the one that is really made for oily skin, if you have the money to try this, you can definitely go ahead and try this Easy Weightless Loose Powder. Bye!